Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find nearby people on Snapchat. First, launch your Snapchat app on your phone. And on the top left corner, there's my profile. Tap on that. And we have to scroll a bit and make sure that you're not in ghost mode. You have enabled your location. So you have to tap on Snap Map to open the map of Snapchat. And you have to zoom map like this, and you can simply double tap in the screen like this, and here we could see we could find a friend like here. So we can double tap in other places as well like this, and we could find other people's snaps and simply tap on this profile. And this is how you can find nearby people on Snapchat, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.